Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to assign or calculate formal charges. So if you're given this formula and you're asked to assign the formal charges on all the carbons, the oxygen, and the nitrogen, the first thing you want to do is write out your formula. Okay, so the formula for formal charge would be formal charge equals valence electron minus the number of bonds minus non-bonding electrons. Okay, so in a short form, we can write this as FC equals VE minus B minus NBE. Okay, so that's the short way. Now you have this formula. Let's do that of the carbons. So for the carbons, looking at this first carbon on the left, carbon has 4 valence electrons. Okay, so 4 minus the number of bonds, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 4 minus, so no electrons on carbon. Therefore, that will be 0. And if you do 4 minus 4 minus 0, that gives us a 0 charge. So you do not have to put any charge on carbon. This second carbon, we do the same thing. So you have 4 valence electron minus, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Again, there are no lone pairs or electrons on that carbon. So therefore, that is going to be 0. So if you do 4 minus 4 minus 0, that gives us 0 again. We're done with carbon. No charge on carbon. Now, if I move on to the oxygen, okay, this oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So 6 minus, there is only 1 bond on this oxygen. So that is 1. Then if you count the number of electrons on oxygen, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I say 6 minus 1 minus 6, that's going to give me a negative 1 charge. So what I would do is come over here and add a charge to that oxygen. Okay, so this oxygen is going to have a negative charge. So usually when it's just 1, you ignore the 1, put negative. So this has a negative formal charge. Now, if we move on to the nitrogen, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bonds. And there are no electrons remaining on nitrogen. So you're going to have this as 0. So if you do 5 minus 4 minus 0, that gives us a positive 1. But again, since it's just 1, you're just going to say positive instead of writing the 1 out. So this is going to have positive charge. Okay, so this is how you can assign formal charges using the formula